both slanging and thousands of black died in the hurricane. It's made in America, made in America.
Let's go.
Made in America. Crack babies, black slavery and HIV hinted in the late 80s. Made in America, made in
This one right here.
Made in America, made in America.
We are taking the bike out for a quick test. Might have to get a J mount for this camera. I might have to turn it upside down or something. Not really sure yet. Yes, sir. Gonna go run. Gonna go get some gas. I thought I was gonna get up and go to this this meet this morning and get gas, but I felt how cold it was. Oh, hell no. First actual test with the DJI. Glad I have a app to kind of look at my framing. Yes, sir. I got the ND filter on here, number 8 on here, and I love how I can take this off when I don't need it. So like at night, if it was like dead night, I would just take it off and not use any, so I get as much light as possible. Then we have the light mod. We got the light mod that I'm eventually test out when it is nighttime. So I don't know if this guy was trying to buy gas off of somebody or what. $10. You right. You right. Yeah, that's on that. That's with that premium too. Yeah, that was a good prediction. Yeah, it's about $10.69. All right, man. All right, you as well, man. Be careful out here. So, one thing I noticed, I guess today, because it's much colder, you definitely, the windscreen is definitely fogging up. So I can't wait till that anti-fog screen gets here. Be here hopefully sometime next week. Out of all the stuff that I ordered, man, the damn winds anti-fog screen is the only thing that takes the longest. It's crazy. So doing the exhaust, I do feel some of the lower, like the back pressure that you would normally feel. It's hard to explain, but I do feel it is gone. Woo! This mug is alive, bro. It's alive. It's alive. And I dressed warm today too, because it's like in the 40s. It's been in the 40s all day. And yes sir. Yes. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah, so I got on a sweater. I got on sweatpants. And I put my jeans on over them, and I have I got my leather jacket. These gloves are trashed. They just ran the fucking stop sign. Unfucking believable. It's cold today, so. But for the most part, I feel good. I barely feel cold. But this is the first test of the DJI, man. I looked at some footage earlier because I did like a little test footage, not on the bike. I washed the bike, and I used the DJI. Obviously, I didn't use my helmet, but I bought like one of those neck things, and just like I thought, it worked out pretty well. The way the footage came out, so I could not wait to jump on the bike and actually see what some regular riding footage is going to look like. Couldn't wait. And what I can see on the monitor, I mean, it looks like I've been hoping it would look. So I am shooting in D-Log M. We ain't gonna go far, man, because it's cold. It's cold. There it is. Ready? Let's go. Nice.